how to change the icons on your Windows 11 desktop shortcuts. So if you want to go and customize the different icons for your shortcuts, so for example, I have this application here called Discord. If you want to go in, change this icon and customize it to your own, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and right click on the shortcut that you want to customize the icon for. You can then scroll down and click on Properties. Now, underneath the shortcut tab, you should have the option here for change icon. Go and click on this. Now, you may see a selection of icons already in this list, and you can go and choose from any of the icons up here in order to go and change it. Now, if you want to go and add your own custom icon to this list, maybe you found an image on the internet and you want to go and use this as your custom icon, then what we need to do is first go and open up an internet browser, and then over in the address bar, we're going to type in icon-icons.com. Now, this is just a free website that I like to use in order to download free icons. So let's say I wanted to change the icon on Discord. I'm just going to go and search for Discord. And let's say I wanted to change my icon to this one here. I'm simply going to click on it from the list. You can then go and select ICO and then press download ICO. Now that's going to appear in your downloads folder in the top right hand side. Now, the first thing that I would recommend doing is moving this into a different folder. So if you just go and head over to your downloads on your computer, you want to go and move this icon file into a safe place. So I'm going to move this into my documents to make sure this doesn't get deleted, and you can then head back over to the properties of your icon. You can then go and click on the browse button, and you can go and locate that icon file that we just downloaded. So mine's here. Once you have this selected, you can go and press OK, and then you can go and press apply and OK at the bottom. And as you can see, we have now customized this Discord icon. Now, if you have your own image that you've created yourself and you want to go and use that, then all you need to do is make sure your image is a .ico. So if your image is currently a JPEG or a PNG, then what you can do is come over to an internet browser and type in a PNG to ICO converter, then press enter. You can then click on this top website, which is cloudconvert.com. You can then go and upload your image file. So let's say this image here was my custom image. I'm going to double click on this, and you can see this is going to convert it into an ICO. I can press convert. And once you've done that, you can just press download. And once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and use that as your custom image file. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.